Racing just is started. Oh yeah, Batang after 7 break quickly to start rushing up down origins. It is a easy way down yet there is time the middle portion. Batang Kankalu comes next, then followed now by Robotic Lay Dreams of the World back page. Then next in line now is a heavyweight and a long way back to Mythic Layla. Who's the early trailer? Racing down the backstretch, we have Easy Way, the leader by about 2 lengths, rushing up by the rail. Now is a Batang Kankalu, then followed now by Robotic Lay. Next in line is a Doña Teresita. Batang after 7 comes next, running by the rail is a back page. Dreams of the World is the outside heavyweight. The second was while Mythic Layla is still racing in last inside a 3 octavo. We have Easy Way enjoying a half length lead. Then moving up now on the outside is a Batang Kankalu. Next in line now, moving up now is number 9, and this one is a Dreams of the World. Batang after 7 back page is running by the rail. Last day swing for home. Easy Way this time by about 2 lengths. Batang Kankalu is on the outside. We have Easy Way. Batang Kankalu is on the outside. Second Easy Way, Batang Kankalu. And finally it's Easy Way, Batang Kankalu third. Heavyweight, Dreams of the World. Batang after 7, then comes back page.
Quarter clockings of the unofficial winner, Easy Way. Doing 13 and a fraction, 23 and a fraction, finishing at 27.